In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an email in Gmail, sharing some useful tips and tricks along the way. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the world of emailing, this tutorial is designed to make your experience seamless. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser. Once you have it open, navigate to Google's homepage by typing google.com in the address bar. If your homepage is already set to Google, you're one step ahead. From Google's welcoming page, your next step is to locate and click the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner. If you're already signed into your Google account, you can skip ahead a little, but for those signing in, simply enter your credentials and you'll soon be logged in. Now, after signing in, you'll want to head over to Gmail. There are a couple of ways to do this, but here's the easiest. Look for the grid of 9 small squares near the top right of your screen. This is your Google Apps menu. Click on that and you'll see a range of services by Google. Click on the Gmail icon, which will bring you directly to your Gmail inbox. The Gmail dashboard can feel busy with emails coming and going, but don't worry, composing an email is straightforward. Look for the Compose button, which is usually highlighted in the top left corner of your inbox page. Clicking on this will open up a new email window. This is where the magic happens. The first thing you'll notice is a field labeled To. Here, you'll enter the email address of your recipient. If you're sending this email to multiple people, you can add additional addresses separated by commas. Next, let's focus on the subject line. This brief text field is your chance to summarize the content of your email. It's important to be concise yet informative, giving your recipient a clear idea of the email's purpose. Now comes the email body, where you'll craft your message. This is your blank canvas. Whether it's a professional communication or a casual note, be clear and keep your message focused. If it's a business email, remember to include a greeting, the main message, and a courteous closing. Adding a signature at the end, which could be your name, title, and contact information, is also a helpful tip. Once everything looks great, go ahead and hit the Send button, typically found at the bottom of the Compose window. And there you have it, your email has successfully been sent. Thank you for watching this tutorial on writing an email in Gmail. With these simple steps, you'll be navigating Gmail and sending emails like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy emailing!